Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Deepthi from Dip Scroll Bagh. In today's lecture, we are going to start Geography Chapter 13, Life of Temperate Grasslands, Prairies and the Vales. Grasslands. The temperate grasslands are located in the interior of the continent. These are the rain shadow areas in the mountain ranges. These grasslands extend between 35° and 55 longitudes in both hemispheres. These regions experience moderate climate with a limited rainfall, and that too in the summer season. So grasslands, here is a map related to the grasslands of the world. In this map, you can see that these grasslands mainly are between, firstly they are between these areas, which is near the equator. These grasslands are known as tropical grasslands, whereas the temperate grasslands is above the Tropic of Cancer, and between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Arctic Circle, and in the northern hemisphere, whereas in the southern hemisphere it lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle. Here is these are the locations of the temperate grasslands. So temperate grasslands, here the climate is moderate. Summers are here temperate, and rainfall is very limited. Rainfalls is there, and this rainfall is only in the summer season, not in the winter season. Winter season is the cold season is there. So so summer where rainfall is little rainfall is there in the summer season. The climatic conditions are not suitable for the growth of the trees. So these climatic conditions where the rainfall is very less, and winters are rainfall is very less, and soil is, whether it's the soil is very fertile, but the trees require a large amount of water to grow. So here the rainfall is very less, due to that trees grow very less in these areas. The grassland is the main type of vegetation that grow in these areas. The grasslands in the world can be divided into two main types. One is tropical grasslands and the temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands are known by different name in the different areas. So temperate grassland, here from this is the 23.5 Tropic of Cancer to 66.5 Tropic of Arctic Circle. Between that it is there. So this tropical temperate grasslands is known by the different name in different places, whereas in Eurasia, whereas Europe and Asia both, here they are known as steples, whereas in South Africa it is known as Wales, in Australia it is known as Don, in South America it is known as Pampas, whereas in North America it is known as Paris. So in this in this lesson we will learn about the political environment, physical environment, and human activities in the Paris and Wales in the South Africa. In next lecture we are going to read about the Paris life in the Paris. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy, and hopefully see you soon. And moreover, Happy New Year all of you.